looked into the TARDIS, and the TARDIS looked into me. I create myself. I take the words, I scatter them in time and space. A message to lead myself here. I am the baboon. Dark horse.